Hi everyone, I'm Chun and I'm currently working as a regional marketing analyst at Hayes Recruitment. I've attended the executive workshop on the 22nd and 23rd July by Elvega, coached by Ramesh and assisted by Annie as well. To be honest, there's just too many things to take away from this session, and to me, Ramesh has been a great coach. I've learned how to craft and improve on my resume, learned how to properly prepare for the interview, tackle tricky interview questions, and also better position myself to negotiate for a better package. And to all PMETs out there, times are tough, but we are tougher. Some days are better than the others, so just keep trying. Don't give up and keep your mind and options open. Happy to connect if you need more advice. Keep going.